Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import articles in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to go to the tool or the import wizard of Salesforce by clicking here on the setup menu. We go to setup, and after that, we need just to search for data import. So just type data import wizard, and from here we can find the wizard so we can be able to start importing data. So from here, you will need just to launch the wizard, and you will need to choose the type of these articles. So would it be contacts and accounts, or leads, or solutions? So if it was solutions, we need just to add a new record, and basically it will start uh, adding new record. You can match them if you want, and basically you will need just to add your CSV file. We click here and we choose the file of your CSV. You will need just to search for it, and after that you will need just to click on next. By that you will be able to start edit the mapping, means you can uh, take off columns or add columns, etc. And then you will be able to start importing. Another way to do it is by using this tool or this Chrome extension, which is the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. This is a tool that allows you to manipulate Salesforce by using only this extension, and you can start using data imports of it. And from here, you will add the action, and of course, we want to insert, and from here, you choose the objects. If it was opportunity, you will need just to type opportunity, and if it was, for example, a lead, you will need to add lead, and you can add it, and then you will need just to copy paste your data here. So after that, you will need just to run the insert and you will be able to import. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.